Hey guys, today we will be talking about the 7 Habits of Good Readers. The book we will be using is a book called Texting the Underworld by Ellen Borum. The first habit we will be talking about is sneak peek. Good readers always do a sneak peek before they read a book. To do a sneak peek, you must answer these questions. What do I already know about this book? The pictures and headings tell me. The purpose of this type of text is to teach me. Now I will do a sneak peek on the book I am reading. From the cover, I can tell that this book has something to do with birds and smartphones. Also, by reading the text on the back, I can tell that it has something to do with texting in different dimensions. I can also tell that this is fantasy because everything that happens is fake. When reading, good readers often connect what they are reading to real life. They tell themselves, this reminds me of, it's a lot like, I can compare and contrast this to. In the book, the main character is terrified of spiders. This reminds me of how I am terrified of wasps, since they are both insect-like creatures. Good readers often ask questions about stuff they do or do not know. They tell themselves, this does not make sense because I know all the words except I could reread this piece to find out. I can use context clues too. While I was reading the book, there was one time when I had to ask a question. It was when I encountered the word woebegone. I didn't know the definition, so that's why I asked the question. While reading a book, good readers often make predictions. They ask questions such as, this is going to be about, I wonder if, my prediction is changing because, I know the cause is, therefore I can predict the effect will be. While I was reading, I also made some predictions. I predicted that the main character's grandpa would die after he fell from the height. However, my prediction was incorrect. Good readers also visualize as they are reading. They think things such as, the characters look like, the movie playing in my head shows, the places, settings appear to be real because. As I read through the book, I also visualized. I visualized the main character as fat, with blue eyes and brown hair. Good readers also try to clarify as they are reading. They tell themselves, I can remember, I can summarize, I can understand. While I was reading, I remember the main character saying that he was from a noble family. However, I was not sure, so I still went back to clarify. Finally, evaluating is also a habit that good readers do. They tell themselves, I agree, disagree with, this has affected me because, I make the claim that, I infer that. While I was reading the book, I also inferred. I inferred that the main character was Irish since he believed in Irish myths.